Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. For today's vlog, samahan nyo kami as we share a day in our life here in Bahrain. If you are new here, I'm a Filipina married to my Indian husband, and together we share our everyday life, culture, and little moments as a mixed couple living abroad. So today, nandito kami sa Filipino store to buy some groceries. I really like this store kasi they have almost all the Filipino food I miss from back home, like instant pancit, snacks, sauces, everything. Parang one-stop Pinas corner dito abroad. And syempre, bonus pa yung discounts nila. Kaya kahit quick check lang ang plano, nauuwi sa full grocery haul. Pero okay lang, kasi minsan happiness is more important than budget, right? Sure. And after buying what I need, we are on our way to the hospital to collect my husband's lab test report. And look nyo naman, this hospital branch here in Manama, walang katao-tao, parang haunted vibes. Joke lang. But kidding aside, okay naman ang result ng lab test ni Habi, so that's our relief. Now we are just heading home, first to drop off our groceries and to get change. Then we will go out again to eat lunch outside. We are eating here in my favorite Indian restaurant. Before I wasn't really into Indian food kasi I couldn't handle the spices and masalas. Super strong for me back then. But my husband is very simple lang when it comes to food. More on vegetables, light flavors, and hindi siya mahilig sa spicy. Since vegetarian din siya. I slowly started trying Indian food because of him. And now, surprisingly, I enjoy it already from ayang spicy to extra gravy please era na ako. So eto, enjoy lang kami ng food. We are eating chole bhature and biryani. Ang chole bhature is basically chickpea curry, parang ginisang garbanzos, but more flavorful and may konting kick ng spices. Then paired with a big soft fried bread na parang malaki at fluffy na bun. Masarap siya isawsaw sa curry. So overall, Indian comfort food siya. Busog plus masarap plus medyo messy kainin pero worth it. And here we are, heading home already. But syempre, hindi pa tapos ang food trip. Shawarma naman ang next. Walang kabusugan ng first one. Today is our day off, so basically, it's just a full day of gala and eating for this vlog. We'll go home first to rest, then later we'll go out again. That's our life today. Rest a bit, eat a lot, then repeat. So, eto na nga, we're done resting and it's already almost sunset. We are here at the seaside just to chill a bit, enjoy the view. Ang sarap lang ng hangin, very calm vibes, perfect pang unwind after a busy day of kain and gala. And later on, we will go to the Indian temple here in Manama and meet up with our friend. So yeah, continue lang ang chill day namin, relax, konting lakad, then good company. Who, the cleaner? Chill muna and enjoy the fresh air with konting pa-cute. Char! Here's our friend joining us. Also loves food just like us. Joke lang. Pero honestly, good vibes lang talaga kasama. And this is the Hindu temple here. So they will just pray and spend a little time inside while we also sit for a while and take in the peaceful vibe of the place. After this, we'll head to our last food stop for today. Syempre, hindi pa tapos ang pagka-enjoy journey namin. So that's all guys, I'll end the vlog here. I hope you enjoyed this little sneak peek of our day here in Bahrain. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.